Seeing tiny holes, missing seedlings, or mysterious damage in the garden? You may be dealing with slugs and snails, the nighttime snackers of the garden. They feed on leaves, stems, flowers, fruits, and young seedlings, especially when conditions are damp. And since they usually come out at night, you might see the damage long before you spot what caused it. To help keep them away, avoid overly wet soil, clear out hiding spots, and check your plants after dark. The goal is to keep your garden moist, not soggy, so it's less inviting for slugs and snails. A few simple changes can help keep the midnight munching under control.